I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss.
Good morning. Guess who? Oh, I have to start the car. Guess who's going to daycare today? I try not to make it like a scheduled thing. I try to do it a little more sporadic. So that way there's not a routine to it. But where are all their faces? Upper. Baxter. Where's your face? There he is. There he was for a brief minute. Baxter. Boy. He says there's too many faces. All right, hold on. I'll crack your window. I got cracked. Hi, sweet Sam. There's your window, buddy. There's your window. He has to have his nose out, guys. All right, closing the garage door. Putting on my work badge. Anyway, yeah, I try not to have a set kind of routine. I mean, I try to go every 2 weeks. But I don't like to have a set date. And with it being 3, I've gotten to where I call before I take them. So that way, it's not, oh, wham, bam, there's 3 big old honking dogs for you to deal with. You can see his nose. Wait, right there. Baxter. There he is. Hi, buddy. Hi, there's my boy. And there's my girl. There's all the faces. Oh, thanks, Bubba. Okay. Well, did somebody just bark? What was that? What was that? All right. Well, we got to go bye-bye because they're ready to go play. So, anyway, yeah. So, I called daycare yesterday, and I said, can I bring them early? And they said yes. So, I'm like, oh, thank you. Oh, no, where's my sunglasses? Oh, man. Oh. Just hidden back behind the thing. So, there we go. Now we're looking like Joe Cool. I love you, pretty girl. Oh, and I love you too. My little stinker pot. Oh, my babies. So, all right. Off to daycare. Oh, you guys. I got to tell you, before I take them, they're just going to have to deal with it. Last night, I did it to myself. Okay? Please know I did it to myself. I took my rutabaga to pool. Fine. No problem. Ate it. It's more than what I've took in the past. It was definitely a packed Ziploc bag. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to be wild and have me some nuts. All right, no big deal. So I had a little package of nuts. All right. Yo, I did not eat any more than that. Well, no, I had my 2 meat sticks. And yep, that's all I had. Because that was plenty is what I'm saying. That was enough for a meal and a half. But anyway, so what I got to tell you though, last night I get home, whatever, lay down, take my sleeping time stuff. And then, oh man, I don't even know what time. I woke up with the worst stomach pains. I was like, oh, it's the big one, Elizabeth. I'm coming home. Yes, that was a Fred Sanford reference. But, that's it. I was just, cramping. I'm like, that's it. I got the sarsaparilla, the cypress sarsaparilla, the whatever it is. That's it. I got it. This is it. It's it. It's finally hit. It's hit me. Anyway, no bathroom, but, just that cramping. So yeah. I did it to myself. But I was like laying there, putting my warm hands on my tummy. I was like, oh, I'm dying. This is it. I'm dead. They're going to put in the obituary. Died by gas. Died by rutabaga. Oh. But anyway, nope, I didn't die. Here I am this morning. Oh, Miss Ma'am, am I boring you? She said I'd like to move to the back of the class, please. She's bored. Okay, I got to go. I'm boring them. Bye. I'm always like, oh, I drop my babies off every time I come in. They're such good babies. But anyway, so now they're going to get to play. And they go running in. Callie, I didn't record it, but Callie usually starts barking and she's all excited when we get close to here. So anyway, so they get to spend the day at Disneyland. And I'm telling you, my dogs love it. Baxter, not so much. But he stresses. He's my stressor. Rain chances return before extreme heat and humidity. Well, kind of does look like it could rain, but we'll see. Anyway, love y'all, and my kids are gonna have a fun day at Disneyland. Bye. Howdy. How you doing? I didn't bring y'all along because I wanted to call my mama and talked and called my sister and then my bestie. But I walked all the way down to the park and then back. So it's lunchtime. I ain't feeling my best today, but that's all right. We pushed through. Can't really explain what it is. Just kind of feel in my tummy. We are not going to say anything about that stuff that's going around because that ain't what it is. I am declaring it. So I got to tell you, I opened up my meat to microwave it and I'll show you what's in there. I was like, what the heck? What, Terry, what'd you do? Did you eat some of it or what? And then I realized I have a bunch of the 80/20s. And so when I cooked them, I thought, well, it'll still be less calories. I'll just leave the rendered fat out. And whatever meat's left, it's still a third pound of 80/20. Y'all, I saw that. I'm like, oh, Terri, how you gonna survive with that? Hey now, Mr. Fly, get on down here. Let's go back. Not today, you ain't getting me. No fly. But yeah, I was like, well, ain't that a kick in the pants? It would be a beautiful day to lay out in the grass and soak in some of the clouded sun, but I just ain't feeling my best. But that's all right. I've been burpy today. So, some tum-tum. I just took the lid. I wonder if you can see it. I just took the lid off the vegetables. Can you see? I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out or steam, whatever it is. It's going to be hotter and cooter brown. I'm looking and I can see it floating up. And it's steaming up my windshield. Well, I ain't got no wisdom up there for you. Today's just kind of a low-key day. Got, I reprinted my Walmart list. What I was thinking, I don't know. But I think I'm going to, after work, since the dogs are at daycare, what I think I might do, I'm not fully decided. I might go to Walmart after work and then go pick up the dogs. But maybe not. Like I said, I ain't decided. But anyway, I kind of redid my list when it comes to veggies. I remember before what I did was I was buying bags of like veggies. So like bags of broccoli, bags of the California blend, whatever. And hey, I remember buying those veggies. And so like already frozen, like the servings, it probably had like 2-3 servings. So I'm thinking I might pick up some of those because those would be good. I remember what I did was like in the morning, I would grab a bag and just throw it in my lunchbox. And then by the time time came, the steamables. So then I could toss it in the microwave. It will have defrosted some. Toss it in the microwave, throw it in a bowl and eat it. Or just eat out of the bag. And then I won't have to like buy as many raw veggies. I'll still buy some, of course, for my salads. But anyway, so it's just something I was thinking about. Oh, something happening on my porch. Hang on. It's the UPS guy. I got to take a bite out of this because this fly is going to bug me. It might burn me, but this is rutabaga, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower, and some red onion in there. I put some everything but the bagel seasoning on there. Well, anyway, I think I'm going to try that with my lunch. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure what I'll do after work, today after work. But I redid it, so, because that would be nice. Just grab a baggie of veggies and toss them in and eat them. Anyway, so that was I ordered some stuff from Amazon. That was the Amazon deliver. Skinny little young pup. He was just walking. He was just singing his little self singing his little self to death. Or singing his little head off. Whatever. He was just singing. He was singing. It was great. I don't even know what the song he was singing, but something. And then he walked off. I just love people. I love watching people. Like when I go to Vegas, I will have more fun like going, for the last, so we're probably only going to play like 2 days. This would be my guesstimate. So we're going to fly up, I think it's Monday. And then I think maybe we fly up Sunday and play Monday, whatever days it is. But anyway, and then I'll have, I think 3 or 4 more days. Because the reason why I say if our whole team doesn't show up, then that's where we'll have the issue. Now, if the whole team shows up, we may play all week. But anyway, regardless of whatever happens, my time off, I'm going to be spending just watching people. I love people. I really do. I like watching and I wonder what they do for a living. Or I wonder what kind of fun things they do in their spare time. Or I wonder if they're a rock climber. Or I wonder, look how muscular they are. I wonder if they're a bodybuilder. I just love people and analyzing people. I just think that's fun. So anyway, I have more fun doing that than going out and, I'm going to go hike, or, I'm going to go look at this big old pile of poop over here and that nobody's ever seen in their life. So I'll be interested in, but I know that that's not ideal for recording. Because I don't want to be just sitting around, look at that person. I wonder if they have dogs. Look at that person. I bet they're a cat person. That ain't very fun. But anyway, but it is to me, but it may not be to you. But yeah, so, all right, I'm rattling too much. I love y'all. I'll see you. I got this and then my frozen gelatin. Pardon me, can you babysit my children while I put my payment card away? I'm going to check the windows. There you go, Baxter Rooney. He says, thank you. I need some. You can say his tail. See that tail? Did you have a good time? Callie got her anal glands cleaned out. Yeah. Did you know you have to do that for dogs sometimes? Little dogs, it's usually they have to do it for little dogs, but Miss Callie, evidently she doesn't do whatever it is. Her body doesn't do whatever other. Oh, hi, buddy. Did you have a good day? Hi. Thanks, buddy. I love you. And I love you, ma'am. And we love Sam wherever he is. Hope he's got his head hanging out the other side. So, all right. Well, I'll see you all whenever it's time to eat. I cheated and I did go to Walmart. I'm sorry, but it was perfect. I ran to Walmart because today was payday. So I ran to Walmart and got that done. And then I'm picking up the dog. So my groceries are all the way in the back. So I can't guarantee I'll do a grocery haul or a put away groceries with me. I can't guarantee it. We just gonna see what we got at home. Ain't that right, girlfriend? Yeah. She says, will you shut up and get us home? Bye. Hello. How you doing? I'm good. I keep a blanket over my recliner. It's leather. And so, skin. My goodness. Skin on leather. I don't like that feeling. So I keep a blanket on my chair, and it got a little crooked. Boy, that was a tangent. I know it. So I did go to Walmart. I didn't record it, y'all. Sometimes I just want to come home and then just get a move on. So that's what I did. I came home. Hang on, let me put this on mute. I came home and I got the wild ones fed. And what else did I do? I got my supper made. Let's do this first because it's right here. And it is chocolate toffee and chocolate peanut butter. Hello, Creamy, my old friend. I didn't have you last night. My heart was broken. My mouth was sad. I missed your creamy, cool texture
in my mouth. But tonight, we're reunited. And you're scrumptious. But you have to go back to the side. Because now it's time for the salad. Who was it? Simon and Garfunkel, I think. So I put my ground beef in my salad tonight. Hello, darkness, my old friend. But then there's a modern kind of a rock group, and they redid the song. The group is called Disturbed. It's a rocker, kind of a rock group. And they redid the song. I love that one better because it's kind of rockish. Anyway, so I have on here, what do I have? Cabbage. I bought some peppers tonight, so I'm yelling. What is wrong with me? I'm yelling, y'all. I have cabbage. I bought some peppers, and there's about a third of a pepper on here. There is the last of my julienne sun-ripened tomatoes from that batch. So, you know, if I'm still good. Oh, and a coworker, she had some fresh tomatoes, cherry tomatoes from her dad's garden. And I have a 1/3 pound of ground beef, and then my dressing. So I am extremely, extremely devastated. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Terry. I'm just a little dramatic, but that's all right. My Walmart doesn't sell the Polynesian dressing or dipping sauce. So I'm like, what the heck? So I'm going to have to look at Amazon because that's my favorite dressing, or my favorite way to make dressing. But they had the honey mustard. So let me tell you what I did. So yeah, so that's my boss, my big old salad. But let me tell you what I did. I was like, well, what could I do instead? Well, GU's had I'm so silly, a teriyaki sauce. And then something, hang on, I'll show you. First and foremost, I am a gommer. And I will never make the same batch of anything ever. Not on purpose. It's just how I roll. Sometimes I may have more water, sometimes whatever. So they only had, and he changed his stuff. I haven't bought him in so long. It says his honey mustard dipping sauce. So it's 20 calories in 2 tablespoons. So add water and you got 10 calories in your 2 tablespoons. So I got this, okay? And then I thought, you know what? This teriyaki marinade, I know that's a good flavor. I'm like, I'm going to mix these together. How fun. Now, I also, at the time, I had this in my cart, but I bought it. I didn't realize I should have put it back because I had thought that this was the one he didn't sell. But this is a Walden Farms honey Dijon. So, anyway, they've changed it up a little bit. It's 30 calories in 2 tablespoons. And 1 carb. So, yeah. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Yeah, so that's what I'm having for supper. And kind of hot. I'm going to turn the air down a little bit. I thought I did that already, but I might not have. Hold her, Newt. As my grandma said, hold her, Newt. Oh, I did go down 1 degree. I don't know why I'm hot. I didn't even have any extra caffeine. Maybe I'm just excited because it's Friday. So, all right, well, I'm going to eat. I love you people. Stay out of trouble, okay? Fridays. Oh, today's Sunday. You know what Sunday is. If you're new to my channel, Sundays are Jesus and Judy Day. I go hang out with the kids at kids' church and then go to grown-up church. And then afterwards, my mama goes to a different church. So afterwards, we hang out at her church or at her house and we play cards and go out to eat. So, all right, anyway, but that's what happens on Sunday. But today is my Friday, so bye.